Hey, I'm Tim N7KOM, and today I'm unboxing what just arrived in the mail, the BaMaTech key. Of course, it came with some candy. That'll be great for those physically arduous activations. All right, so it comes with a strap there, and let's open this up. Oh, plastic bag with an Allen wrench. I was like, what's in here? Nothing. Oh, wow. This okay, right off the bat, I'm laughing because already this is the heaviest key that I own. You know, most of my other keys, they're like this. Having one made out of metal, wow, this... Oh, maybe I shouldn't show the serial number. I don't know. Oh, wow. Whew, I am excited to get this plugged in and try it out. Wow. Yeah, this key feels really good. I mean, it is dialed in. It is such a light touch. Let's zoom in here. Okay, I think I'm going to be very happy with this. Super excited to get started using it in the shack here. This is going to be my new base station key. Okay, and I think this is how I'm going to mount it on my station. So this is my desk here. So with the magnets and the metal desk, I can kind of flip it upside down. I reverse the polarity on my radio, so now it's just... Heck yeah, super stoked with this setup. Really does seem like a shame to hide such a beautiful key on the underside of the desk, but this is going to be a really nice setup. All right, pretty quick review there. I'm Tim N7KOM. Catch you next time. 7-3.